Today we're going to actually pull up some of the blueberries that are in the ground and we're going to transition them into containers. These are sunshine blueberries. We've had them for a couple of years. We do have some other blueberries that we've had forever over in this section here, but it's these 3 blueberry plants that we're going to transition into containers. We're not quite sure what we're going to do in this area, but we did want to kind of open it up between these blueberries and the blackberries that are the 6 black circles back there. So we're going to transition them into pots and then move them around in the garden. Some of these plants actually have some buds started on these, so hopefully transplanting them won't damage the plants. Keith has gone ahead and put the blueberries into the pots, and I've also waited a week because I wanted to see how these would transplant and making sure that these were fine. And look at, they still have beautiful little flowers budding on these, so I don't think there's going to be any problems with these guys going ahead to blooming for us this year. So I left one pot there and I put the other 2 pots with our other blueberries in the ground right there. The interesting thing is, since then we actually had some electrical work done on our house, and we actually might have to move these 2 plants right here, because when they came to see the electrical, they said these plants are way too close to the electrical boxes. They said that the blueberry bushes, because of where they were, may interfere with them being able to work on the electrical boxes. So at some point, these 2 blueberry plants are probably going to have to be moved. Now, blueberries are really good plants to be planted next to your house as foundational plants, but don't make the same mistake that we did and plant the blueberries where your electrical box is. Think about where you're planting the blueberries and what's on the side of the house to see if that's a good place to be putting those blueberry plants. Let me see if I can get in a little closer so you can see how these are blooming. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video.